Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to find LCM and GCD of fractions, right? So, what is, you already know what fraction is. If you see my screen, if you take 8 by 12, 8 divided by 12, we will get a fraction. And 10 divided by 18, we will get a fraction too, right? So, these are, fractions. So, if you see the program, how we will find it, right? So, you see here, we have four variables. Number one, denominator 1, okay, denominator 1, number 2, denominator 2, okay. So we are saying enter numerator and denominator, okay, of first fraction. So first fraction would be like 8 by 12, right? So number 1 would be uh, the numerator, and uh, these would be denominator, right? 12. Whatever you put, whatever you give or input, these will be stored in these values, right, in these variables. And this will be the same process would be for the second one, okay, second fraction, number 2 and denominator 2, okay, numerator and denominator, okay. So we'll have to find GCD, guys, and after which two numbers we will find uh, GCD, right? So we will find GCD of both of the numerator, right? So we will find GCD of the numerator, right? And we will find LCM of denominator, right? So, and both of them are stored in these variables, right? GCD, NUM, LCM, denom, okay? So now we will say GCD of fractions, GCD of fractions numerators, okay? Fractions numerator is, this one, I mean whatever value we get, and LCM of fractions denominators, okay. So why actually we find fraction of these, okay. So sometimes we may compare two fractional numbers, okay, two numbers. Sometimes we may need to do it. So we need to find a common denominator, okay. So if we can find common denominator, or uh, I mean common number that can common LCM and GCD, if we can find, then we may compare them easily, right? So maybe in another video I will explain these, but I hope you understand, okay. So if you find a common LCM, then you can maybe cancel each other, yeah. So this is what happens to when you compare. So this is why we need it, guys. And when we call find GCD or find LCM, you will go these functions, right? And you know all the functionalities of these two functions, right? How it works and how they behave. So because I showed you several times these, okay. So I hope you understand, and this is how we get the result, guys, okay. So enter numerator and denominator first fraction, so 8 and 12 and 12 and 18. Okay, so GCD of fractions numerator is 4 and LCM of fractions denominator is 36. Okay, so I I think you understood these, guys. See you in the next video, and keep watching and keep practicing.